Hi, Pat here. I have a realistic equalizer. These things were made around 1981, 1982. And it does work. See those little lights there flashing back and forth. But I will take it apart just to clean the slides. Here's a look at the inside of this equalizer. Just a quick look. And I got inside all these slides here. Just shot a little of this fader F5 into it. And knobs here and these switches. I just put a little deoxant D5 in those. I got it back together, got the front face cleaned up, and it's looking pretty nice. Right now I'm putting signal through it. I got my scope hooked up, and right now I'm at 31 hertz. So let's go up on the left channel. It's working, and the right channel. The next band is 62 hertz, and both sides are working here too. The next band is 125 hertz. Now 250 hertz. Now 500 hertz. Next is 1 kilohertz. Next is 2 kilohertz. And now 4 kilohertz. Next is 8 kilohertz. And the last band is 16 kilohertz. So they're all doing well. Now these gain controls. Right now I got 1 kilohertz going in. You see it bouncing back and forth on both sides. And back to the scope here. Let's turn the gain up. See the signal go up. And same one going down. Same with the other side. Well, everything came out real nice in this. Thanks for watching the video.